Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to launch the calculator using the shortcut on Logitech G413 TKL SE. Alright, so to open the calculator on our Windows using the shortcut, we need to simply hold the Fn button and we need to then click on F4. I'll show you that on my desktop. Okay, so now hold the Fn button just like I was talking before and click on F4. As you can see, the calculator launches. We can count now anything that we want. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.